and you have this big red octopus in your hand. What is up, guys? So excited about this. We just got our shipment in from Beach Camera. This is not sponsored in any way. It's a Canon M50 bundle with a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm just gonna crack into this thing and show you what is in it. So they got it packaged pretty good with like bubble wrap, bubble stuff like this. Pop, pop, tons of stuff. First off, Canon M50, boom. Super stoked on this thing. We're gonna get to this. Comes with 64 gig SanDisk card, rechargeable batteries. Comes with 2 extras, and including the one with the camera, so 2 extra batteries. Comes with this little cleaner. I got another one of these. Universal LED light, charger, little bracket. Comes with a sweet monopod. Little nylon bag. Got a little quick release, tripod plate, and these are just the snappy kind with the slides. Yeah, super long. I'm 9 feet tall, so get those steady shots. Then it comes with this cool backpack. Give me a bag for now. There you go. It's got this side pouch. You can slip your lenses and stuff in there. Kind of cool, little padded compartment. Looks like it's got a USB cord attachment there, so you can like route your cord through it. It's got pouches on the back here. I don't even know all this stuff, what it does yet. Not a lot of good descriptions in the Amazon really link, which I'll put that link down below if you're interested in this camera. So when you open the top part, you got like half of it. Comes with a rain cover, so that's pretty sweet. You can slip it right over your bag if it starts to rain. Oh, a little USB cord right here. That's what you route over to like your battery backup. So much stuff. Camera starter kit by Ultimax. Looks like it's got some cleaners and stuff, and then like a little bendy tripod. But yeah, it's cool. Real lightweight. Maybe if like, you know, maybe it'll hold the camera. We'll have to see. Definitely like a GoPro. It's got like a little belt clip, so you can like slip it in your pants, I guess. I don't know if you're walking around with it. Let's see, got a card reader here, a little SD card reader. That's cool. Oh, sweet. This thing came in all black. I was hoping it would. The red one just stands out so much when you're trying to walk around and vlog and you have this big red octopus in your hand. I don't know. Not that into it. But this thing's cool. It's kind of like a Joby, but cheaper. But yeah, these are real bendy. I have a Joby, and they're not as bendy as you think they would be. But this thing, man, it's cool. Super bendy. We can get it all out there. Be all nuts with it. You know, not the best tripod heads or anything like that for this, but pretty cool. To go take with you cleaner, so you go like that, clean your lens, you know, like a little brush or something. Oh yeah, there's a little brush, comes out the other end. That's cool. Clean your lens, so that's rad. So this is the Beach Camera kit bundle with extra batteries, the monopod. They have a ton of different bundles. This one seemed like the right choice for me. I didn't do the kit lens or anything. I just bought the body with this. I hope we can make some amazing content with this stuff for you guys. Like and subscribe for more. Leave a comment if you have any questions about this bundle. Feel free to ask.